Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of dog training center. So let's take an example that you are a dog training center owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your dog training center business advertisement, and with those ads, you are getting lots of leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now, you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your dog training center brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your dog training center brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. But here there is a problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page which I have created named ABC Training Center for Dog. This is the Facebook lead ad form, dog training brochure form, and this is the form actually looks like, where I have asked for the full name, email address and phone number of the customer. This is the dog training brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, that is the Facebook lead ad form, automatically the dog training brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us just fill this form. I'll give the full name as Adam Smith. Let us give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com, and let us give this phone number over here, that is the WhatsApp number. Click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer, and here I can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Training Center for Dog. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our dog training center. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, ABC Training Center for Dog. Okay, now let us check this link also. And here I can find a dog training brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, that is the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads forms, the same data will be used and your dog training center brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as How to Use WhatsApp for Marketing of Dog Training Center. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your dog training center brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, let us select new lead, click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the Facebook page and the lead generation form. So I have created the Facebook page name ABC Training Center for Dog, and this is the lead ad form, that is dog training brochure form. So we have to select this particular form also. So let us move to Pabbly Connect and here let us select the page name, that is ABC Training Center for Dog. And now here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created just one form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this lead generation form and we have to create a test lead on the name of some customer, just because after clicking on this option save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So just go to the form and here let us give the full name as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Let's give the email address as 𝗪𝗵𝘆25@gmail.com. I'll give the phone number over here. Let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us go to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is the name of the customer, 𝗪𝗵𝘆, her email address and the phone number is captured over here. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message along with the business brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So come to the action window and here in the application name, let us select 360 dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Click on connect. Here click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So let's go to 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here, come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find generate API key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it again. Now the domain is required. Let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example from here and we are going to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, click on save. As I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, select existing connection and I'll click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only that template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So let us go to 360 dialog account, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can select the template type. Here you can give the template body text, that is the message. Click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final template, this one. Now here you can see I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. For example, hello, here we want the name of the customer in the message. So the customer name is going to change. In this way, the values will be changing. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our Dog Training Center. Here you can give the link, the brochure link or the online flyer link of your business. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. Here again your business name is going to come. So we are going to select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. So let us just find the same template over here. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already got the customer details from the Facebook lead ad form. This was the mobile number and this was the customer name. So we are going to map these details now. So let us scroll down, and here in the recipient mobile number, let us map the mobile number from Facebook lead ads, and this is the phone number. Okay. Now body field 1, example 𝗪𝗪𝗍𝗪, that's the name of a person. Here in the template also, hello, we want the name of the customer to get reflected. So let us go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us map the customer name, that is Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. So I have created ABC Training Center for Dog. This is the Facebook page name. So we have to simply give the same name, that is the business name, here in body field 2. Now body field 3, example software. In the template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our. Here you can give Dog Training Center. Let us just type the same. Okay. Now body field 4, here the link is required. So I have uploaded the dog training brochure in my Google Drive. So I'll simply make a right click on this, and here I can find share option. Click on this. Now here we can see get link option. Simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Now body field 5, example website address. So you can give your website address over here. In place of that, I'll just go to the Facebook page once again, and from here I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the URL over here. Okay, and body field 6, here example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Here in the template, thank you, regards. Here again your business name is going to come. So let us just type the same name, that is ABC Training Center for Dog, in body field 6 also. Okay, and now let us click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let us go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Training Center for Dog. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message that we have created in the template is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now, the things to note are the body fields and their values. So this was the first value which we have mapped, that is the name of the customer. The second value we have given was the business name. Third we have given was the dog training center. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And last the value of the body field we have given was the business name once again. So here in this message we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed. So now let us check this link also. And here I can find a dog training brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So this is the test brochure which I have shared. In place of the test brochure, you can share your actual brochures of the business. Okay. So in this way, we can see that the correct message along with the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again, we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create a test lead of any of the name of some other customer once again. So here I have filled the form. I have given the full name as Nitin Sharma. I have given the email address as nitin123@gmail.com and I have given the phone number. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer now. And here we can find a new message. Hello Nitin Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Training Center for Dog. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this customer also, that is Nitin Sharma. Now let us recheck this link. And here we can find the same dog training brochure is shared with this customer also. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages along with the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ad, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your dog training center brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with a message. So in this way, we can see that we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.